guys, it's Tish. So excited to share with you guys this incredible bungalow. This is probably honestly one of the most unique bungalows I've ever featured and seen. The basement is insane. 2 bathrooms, guys. 2 bathrooms in the basement. The income potential with this home is just incredible. Really beautiful, just like dream street. Gorgeous, gorgeous area in one of my favorite communities in Hamilton called Stony Creek. And if you're new here, my name's Tish. I am a local real estate agent in the Hamilton and surrounding areas. And if you are looking to purchase a home or want more information on this property, feel free to reach out. My team and I would love to get in contact with you and help you throughout your home buying process. Same with if you're looking to sell. Like if you want to sell, we're happy to feature your property on our channel. As you can see, we get thousands of views throughout our different social media channels, and would love to feature your listing and just work with getting you the right price and strategy to help maximize the value of your home. So let's get into this gorgeous home, guys. And by the way, I do have a bit of a cold, so I'm sorry if I sound a little raspy, but just know that I'm with you guys today. I'm here, just my voice isn't. Let's just leave it at that. But this house has been completely renovated, beautiful kitchen. I love that it's a bit tucked away. You know when you have guests coming over and you kind of want to just entertain and focus on not really showing your full kitchen. Like I find with an open concept kitchen, you do tend to have a lot of mess that sometimes your guest sees. But with this kitchen, it's really discreetly positioned to just kind of hide that, which I really, really love. I love the color of the cabinets. Beautiful modern finishes. You have your stainless steel appliances, your double sink, beautiful oversized fridge. And I also love that they've kept some of the traditional elements like that window feature there. Just makes that homey element and feel to the space, which is so important. Let's take a look into the first bedroom here. Beautiful home. And look how large this window is. Like, beautiful. Decent sized closet. We make our way into the second bedroom. Also really generous size. This looks out into the backyard. And then we do have the primary bedroom. Really nice size. Loving that window. Beautiful home. Great size closet. This as well as is overlooking the backyard. I'm really excited to show you guys the backyard and the basement. So be sure to stay till the end. So let's make sure that you guys can fully see in here. Turn on that extra lighting. So you have a very spa-like marble, super modern. You have your grays, your whites. Beautiful shower. Love this. Really beautiful. Just really designed to please, yet still very practical, which I think is really important. And then as we make our way to the basement, keep in mind that you do have your separate entrance. And I do want to just make note here that you can actually have like a bit of a small dining area here or a breakfast area here. You can also have a dining area here, like there's enough space for that, for a small table and some chairs. And you could also get creative with this space as well and have a bit of a small dining area here, although I think this space is really best made just for your living room / family room. But really stunning features. And oh my God, I'm in love with the wood paneling. I'm sorry, guys. Can you tell I love real estate, or can you tell I love real estate? But I'm just in love with the paneling. Like, oh, like it adds such a, let's turn on the light. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look how modern it makes it look with the shelves. Oh, I'm so glad I came back to show you guys this. Just beautiful. Let's keep that on. Beautiful oversized bay window. Oh, you can just imagine like kids just sitting here reading a book after school. And oh, and we also have, I'm getting really excited about this house. We also have a small powder room here. Love. And a front closet. So let's go downstairs. So in love with this house, guys. Like, this is like a first time home buyer's like dream house. Like, I don't know how this hasn't sold yet. I don't know how, but the election is over. So let's see if more buyers gain the confidence needed to come out. So I want to show you guys this area first. You have a bit of shelving unit here. We have laundry here. And then this is one of the bedrooms. So the Airbnb market in Hamilton is really, really hot. I used to actually rent out a part of my house when I used to live in central Hamilton before I moved to the mountain. And there's people who live in the mountain as well that are making really good money. Like, I met with a family for a listing appointment the other day, and they were telling me that they were making over $2,000 a month renting out their basement for Airbnb. And it wasn't even updated or anything like that. So you can just imagine the potential for something like this that's just completely updated and has so much space. So this is bedroom number 2, guys. And voila, bathroom number 2 in the basement with the tub, completely updated. Like this could probably pay your mortgage. I mean, if you put a big enough down payment, believe you me, like something like this could pay a nice chunk out of your mortgage costs, a nice chunk. And it also could help you to qualify for more mortgage, right? So you have 3 bedrooms down here, like insane. You got your full kitchen, you got your beautiful windows. Like, what more do you need? What more do you need? And you got your laundry. So let's take a look at the backyard. Okay, guys, so going to bring you to the backyard. Love this area here. Beautiful canopy. And look how gorgeous. Oh my God, guys, there's a little bunny. Oh my God. How beautiful is this backyard? And it feels so private, like it's fenced in, or it actually, I don't know if it's fenced in. Sometimes it's hard to tell if it's fenced in or not. I don't think it is, because sometimes you have your neighbors who actually fenced in their yard. And so if you have neighbors that fence in their yard on your right side, your left side, and your back, sometimes people don't even bother to fence in their yard because it's like they've kind of gotten a fence in yard for free. I had this one listing, and I had a family ask, okay, how come there's a portion of the backyard that isn't fenced in, but everything else is? And I said, well, my clients didn't fence in the yard. It's the neighbors that fence in the yard. So that little part is opened up, and it was just so funny. But yeah, yeah, this is a great backyard space, guys. So again, if you do want more information on this home, be sure to reach out. And yeah, thanks for watching.